Alright everyone, welcome. We have the 10K Yuj Tarot here. Now as you see, this tarot deck is not like any tarot deck you've seen before. Each reading is different depending on the person and mean different things depending on the sequence, like any other tarot, but interpreting them is looking at them as a whole art piece, because each one of these is an art piece. So whatever that they come up today is the message. We'll see. Shuffle them right here in real time. Nothing is planned. All right, let's do 3 main cards.